Hey, thanks for watching another video. This is my son, Cooper.
This is my dad, CJ the CPA.
So let's talk about what you should choose, what you want to spend your money on. The key word there is choose. You would want to be in a position to choose what you want to spend your money on. So what are things that you choose to spend your money on? And when we're talking about money, we're talking about allowance or what you have earned.
Sometimes when I'm leaving the school after my workout in the morning, I choose if I want to go out to get breakfast, if I want to come home and make breakfast, or, I choose if I want to go bowling with my friends, or, if I want to stay in at night, or I choose if I'm deciding to save up for a pair of shoes.
Yeah. And so when you have money that has been either given to you as an allowance and or you've made it and it's your money, the thing to remember is that you're choosing what you want to spend that money on, which is a great thing. And when you're now choosing, you want to think through, well, if I need something this week, but I'd like to have this next week or maybe at the end of the month, then you're choosing what to spend that money on. And so by choosing smart, choosing wisely, wouldn't you say that you'll then always be able to choose what you're spending your money on?
Yeah, if you're choosing the right things at the right time. So, I'm not going to choose to go out to eat every day, because then by Wednesday I might not have any money left, for the rest of the week. So if you are kind of picking and choosing what you're spending your money on, and you are kind of putting some thought into what you have the rest of the week or whatever, your other wants are, then you should always kind of be able to allow yourself to choose what you'd like to spend your money on.
Yeah, and that's the key, is that money you're choosing to spend what it is that you want, and therefore be mindful of that so that next week when you decide what you want to choose to spend your money on, that you have it. And, you should be looking at choosing to spend your money on yourself or your friends or your parents or something that's fun. But when you get to choose what you're spending money on, then know this: when you choose to spend money on something and it's too much, and then you don't have as much later, then who made that choice?
You made that choice.
You made that choice. So choose wisely, choose smartly. Why? So that you can continue to choose what it is that you spend your money on.
Yep.
All right, so check out our next video. We're going to be talking about what to spend your money on. All right, we'll see you in a minute.